Sky Vibe for the week of December 8th. Hey, Cancer! Ideas as bright as the holiday lights could fill your head. All you have to do is listen. This Monday and Tuesday, hard work pays off as the Aries moon, Mars, and the sun give you the accolades you deserve. By Wednesday and Thursday, try to curb your words, no matter how much a moral, ethical, or philosophical issue just fires you up. Ask a calm coworker to cool you down. And now, Cancer, are you ready for your weekend fun? Put your antenna on receive as the full moon pours ideas into your head. Stay tuned for messages around partnership or romance, too. On Sunday, the moon slides into your house, keeping you in the public eye. Entertain friends and family before the holidays get too hectic. So, Cancer, stay popular with your planets and make every week happen the way you want it to. Remember to check back soon for your weekly Sky Vibe.